Get away from me.
Get away from me!
Get away from me!
No! Get away from me!
I need you to get away from me. Yep.
Get up.
Get away from me!
Get away from me.
I really want to help you, Stan.
Get away from me! Just get away! Did it cross your mind that you led them to me?
Get away from me. Stop it.
Get away from me!
What are you afraid of?
It's a trick.
You were right, Smith. You think I killed your friend? What did you see?
Who are you people?
What did you see?
Get away from me!
Get away from me.
I need to see him. Just, you gotta show him to me. It's pulling me in.
I said, get away from me.
Nothing like get away from me or help or anything like that.
No.
Allison, please, can we talk for a second?
Get away from me.
Okay.
Farther.
Yep. Carl!
You get away from me. Please, you win.
I don't want to win. I just want to make the world a better place.
It's okay.
Get away from me now.
I'm not gonna hurt you.
Go away.
It's okay.
I see some of the dirt bags you drag out of this place. What? I don't make the cut?
No, you're vile. Now give me my keys and get away from me.
This is a new low for me. I'm not good enough for the town pump.